Exclusive FX dual rubber, resists heat and ozone deterioration, and proven to last up to 40% longer than other premium wiper blades. Patented beam design, with shielded connector optimizes visibility, even under extreme weather conditions. Flexible asymmetric spoiler distributes uniform downward force along the entire blade to hold it firmly to the windshield. At higher speeds, exclusive tension spring arcing technology creates a fit that's custom contoured to the curvature of each side of the windshield. Easy installation with original equipment quality adapter installation requirement. Only use Icon Clear Max 365. Bosch bracketless wiper blades are designed without brackets or hinges, offering improved design and performance over conventional wiper blades. The award-winning design of Bosch Icon distributes more uniform pressure along the entire length of the blade for ultimate all-season performance that lasts up to 40% longer than other premium wiper blades. The integrated wind spoiler design increases the downforce on the wiper blade to prevent liftoff at highway speeds. The bracketless design and enclosed tension springs provide superior wiping performance in all weather conditions. Bosch Icon blades are the best you can buy.